Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the network jitter problem in Counter-Strike 2. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Launch Counter-Strike 2. Click the Settings icon. Open the Game tab. Scroll down to the Telemetry section. Find Show Network Jitter/Misdelivery Graph. Set it to Always. This lets you monitor your network stability while playing. Next, find Max Acceptable Game Traffic Bandwidth. Set it to Unrestricted. This allows CS2 to use your full internet bandwidth. Now close the game. Open Task Manager. Close unnecessary background applications. Programs like Discord, web browsers, or download managers. These applications can use your internet connection and may cause network jitter. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is usually more stable and has lower latency than Wi-Fi. Next, restart your router. Turn it off. Wait for about 30 seconds. Then turn it back on. This can refresh your network connection. If other people are downloading files, watching videos, or playing online games on the same network, your connection may become unstable. Try playing when your network is less busy. Also, make sure you're connected to the closest game server. A nearby server usually provides lower ping and a more stable connection. Launch CS2 again. Join a match. Check if the network jitter warning is gone. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having this problem, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you and guide you further. Thanks for watching.